Welcome to the Amalfi Coast, a place so breathtaking even my wheelchair couldn't resist. I'm Spencer, your accessible travel expert, and today we're tackling cliffs, cobblestones, and limoncello on this epic Italian adventure. Andiamo, amici! Let's kick off this adventure near the cruise port in Naples, where my accessible van was ready to take me on the ride of a lifetime to the Amalfi Coast. Trust me, this kind of transportation that makes you appreciate every smooth ramp you've ever rolled on. Speaking of ramps, as you can see, the van's lift was temporarily out of service, so I got the white knuckle treatment with some sketchy ramps to begin my journey. Accessibility improv at its finest. But hey, nothing stops me from chasing an authentic Italian experience. The van ride itself, let's just say it's not for the faint of heart or anyone who doesn't enjoy the full body workout of being a human bobblehead. These hairpin turns will have you gripping your seat and yelling Mamma Mia. The roads here are as famous for their beauty as they are for making your stomach do the tarantella. Buckle up, friends. Now, let's distract you from all the bouncing with a little history. The Amalfi Coast is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its breathtaking cliffs, pastel villages, and lemon groves. Dating back to the Roman Empire, this region has been a hub for trade, culture, and epic views. It's so stunning, poets and painters couldn't resist immortalizing it, and now neither can I. Quick fact, the winding roads to the Amalfi Coast were carved into the cliffs in the 19th century to connect isolated villages. Before that, the only way to get there was by mule, or if you were feeling particularly adventurous, hiking straight up through the cliffs. After a roller coaster of a ride, we've made it to the heart of Amalfi. Watch me conquer these ramps like a pro and roll into town that's equal parts charming and cobblestone chaos. Amalfi's streets may be bumpy, but they're rich with history and culture. From the striking Duomo di Amalfi to the smell of freshly squeezed lemons wafting through the air, this town is pure magic. And what's a visit to Amalfi without some limoncello and sorbetto to keep things sweet? Joyful toast. Sip the sweetness, feel the glow. Limoncello flows. Let's go. Check out this bird's eye view of Amalfi's pristine waters and iconic town. Honestly, it doesn't get more picture perfect than this. Bouncing down those ancient streets. Modern wheels on timeless beats. In this land where bright views flirt, fearless, unrestricted, free. From Positano to Ravello, sky meets sea in perfect cello. With the van lift finally repaired, next stop, the town of Ravello. Perched high above the coast, this quiet, artsy town welcomes you with a vibe that's a little less chaotic and a lot more serene. Ravello's beautiful charm is the perfect complement to the Amalfi Coast's dramatic cliffs and bustling towns. After a quick top-off of limoncello, I climbed the hills for a chance to visit Villa Rufolo, a place where accessibility meets jaw-dropping beauty. Villa Rufolo is a must-see with its gardens, panoramic views, and smooth pathways that are a wheelchair user's dream. As with most of Italy's sites, the entrance to the villa is complimentary for a wheelchair user plus one companion. So, why should you visit the Amalfi Coast as a wheelchair user? Because it's a testament to the fact that with a little determination and a few unexpected adventures, anything is possible. The variety of towns, scenery, and experiences here is second to none. After soaking up the Amalfi Coast, it was time for another bumpy ride back to Naples, because who doesn't love a free chiropractic session? Once back, I explored the sights of Naples, indulged in world-famous Neapolitan pizza, and tried some LImoncello, and yes, that's a thing. If you're ready to embark on your own wheelchair-accessible European cruise adventure, give me a call to book your dream trip. Let's make it happen together. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more really awesome adventures. See you in the next video.